created aluminum bending machine installation specification. Software installation. Click and install driver. Click Next. Installation completed. Click and install operation software. Click Confirm. Click Next. Installation completed. Double-click the software, if opened, driver and software completed. Feeding calibration. Put in the material and send the material over the slotted plate. Click the feeding adjustment option under Device. Click Start Calibration. Make a starting mark on the material according to the software reminder. After the marking, click OK and start feeding. After feeding stop, make an end mark on the material. Then click OK and the machine starts feeding. After feeding stops, measure the length between two marks. Input the measured length to the collection length and click Confirm Calibration. After calibration, make a starting mark on the material. Select Single Step, input the length in 2000, and click Feed. Start feeding. Make a closing mark on the material after the feeding stops. Measure the length between two markers. The length is 2000 millimeters, and feeding calibration is completed. Note: if the measured length is not 2000 millimeters after the one-step feeding 2000 millimeters, the feeding calibration shall be performed again until the measured size is 2000 millimeters after the one-step feeding is 2000 millimeters. The feeding calibration completed. Adjustment of work parameters. Click the Work Parameters option under the Device Parameters. Click Run Offset Test. The machine starts testing. The milling cutter is not perpendicular to the groove center. Click Note. Reduce the front slotting offset value of milling cutter. Click Front Offset Test. Observe the position. Milling cutter is perpendicular to the slotting point. Front home offset adjust completed. Click Back Slotting Test. Observe the position of milling cutter and slotting point. The milling cutter is not perpendicular to the slotting point. Reduce the value of back home offset. Click Back Offset Test. The milling cutter is perpendicular to the slotting point. Back home offset adjust completed. Click Home Offset Test. Observe whether the bending tool is in the right position. Position wrong, reduce home offset value. Click Test. The bending tool coincides with the origin. Bending tool home offset adjust completed. Click Save. Work parameter adjust completed. Adjustment of slotting depth. Click Work Parameter option under Device. Click Front Test. to deep slotting. Loosen the lock master to make the slotting shallow. Click Front Test. To shallow slotting. Increase the slotting depth appropriately. Click Front Test. Suitable slotting depth. Adjust completed. Adjustment of bending. Click Open under the File option. Open Test Files. Right mouse click the letter edge, click Pick Up. Select the processed files, right mouse click to confirm pickup. Input the original value of positive beating plus, click Start. Processing start. Over force bending. Reduce the positive beating plus value, click Save Materials Parameters. Click Start. Little force bending. Increase positive beating plus value. Click Start. Processing start. Bending force OK, positive beating plus finished. Click right mouse, click Clear Pickup. Click right mouse, click Inner Pickup. Pick up the processed files. Click right mouse, click OK to pick up. Input the original value of negative beating plus, click Start. Processing start. Little force bending. Increase the negative beating plus value, click Save Materials Parameters. Click Start. Processing start. Over force bending. Reduce the negative beating plus value. Click Start. Processing start. Bending force OK, negative beating plus finished. Click right mouse, click Clear Pickup. Click right mouse, click Outer Pickup. Pick up the processed files, click OK to pick up. Input the original value of extruding plus, click Start. Via force bending. Reduce the positive extruding plus, click Start. Bending force OK, extruding plus finished. Click right mouse, click Clear Pickup. Click right mouse, click Inner Pickup. Pick up the processed files. Click OK to pick up. Reduce the negative extruding plus value. Little force bending. Increase the negative extruding plus value, click Start. Bending force OK, negative extruding plus finished.